Fat. He is fat, and he eats a lot. Thin. She looks very thin. Sweet. The cake is too sweet for me. Sour. I don't like sour lemon. Full. The basket is full of apples. Empty. An empty basket is in the room. Up. He climbed up the stairs. Down. She came down from the stairs. Hot. He does not like the hot weather. Cold. It's very cold today. Dry. The umbrella keeps her dry. Wet. His clothes are wet. Fast. A rabbit runs fast in the field. Slow. The turtle is very slow. Old. He is a nice old man. Young. He is strong and young. Light. The torch gives bright light. Dark. The room is very dark. New. She bought a new car. Old. He drives an old car. Soft. I sleep on a soft pillow. Hard. A hard rock does not break easily. Tall. The tall boy plays basketball. Short. The short girl smiled at me.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!